feels like it's 91. So we already have a heat index. Southwest wind at 10. The dew point is a whopping 74. That's not only muggy, that is extra muggy. 72% relative humidity right now. So it's not going to take long for the storms to build. We have some down in Waverly, Tennessee. We've got some off to the north along the Ohio River, but we're beginning to see now some of the developing showers out toward the Monroe County area, and Tompkinsville will zoom in on that. You that these are what we call pulse type storms. What happens is they build up, then they rain out, and then they'll form a new one right next to it. It will build up, rain out, and that process is repeated over and over again. So Tompkinsville, you're seeing some showers there just north of you, and those are going to continue to build into the afternoon. The roughest weather right now is in the metro Louisville area and southern Indiana, right there along, say, from Tell City on over to Bloomington. They're getting some very intense rainfall right now as you go along, say, Interstate 64 and I-71. Now, this morning we had some impressive rainfall, like back in Madisonville at the Mesonet site there in Hopkins County, 64 hundredths of an inch, almost 2/10 of an inch of rain up in Hardinsburg. We had only just drops here, so you call it a trace at best. Upper 70s to mid 80s now across the area, with the dew points being well into the 70s as that muggy air continues. Glasgow, you're seeing the same building clouds and sunshine. You're at 81. Morgantown, cloudy. You're at 83. Franklin, a mix of clouds and sunshine. You're at 83 degrees. And up at Lake Malone, your hometown forecast today, you'll see high temperatures in the upper 80s with that chance of showers and thunderstorms as that front continue here and curve through the area. The best storms right now are right there along the Ohio River, but with all the moisture being sucked in out of the Gulf of Mexico, it's just a matter of time before we break that cap, and we'll begin to see the formation of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. And what we've seen over the last few days, these can produce a lot of rain in a short amount of time over a small area. Intense lightning, some hail, and maybe even damaging winds, and that's without them becoming technically severe. They can do that kind of damage in a short amount of time without a warning. And then tomorrow we'll actually have the cold front pass through the area. Once that happens, we actually get a break from the rain and the high humidity for Thursday into Friday. Temperatures will a few severe storms this afternoon. That risk goes east of us by tomorrow. And that's when things will begin to calm down. 88 today, 70 tonight, 90 with one more round of thunderstorms tomorrow, and then quiet weather for Thursday and Friday, even a little less humid, but then isolated showers come back for Father's Day weekend. Not a washout, though, but highs will be back into the low 90s. Laura?
For most of us, fixing tuna at home means popping a can and mixing it with mayo. But 440 Main Chef Elena Terrell is something much more special and, yes, palatable. She's doing ahi tuna tower today along with Brandon Thomas, who's mixing a cocktail from their new summer muse. So nice to see you both. Tell us how we get started with this.
All right. Well, you can actually get tuna at the regular grocery store now, so it's much more accessible for home cooks that want to do this at home.
So I wasn't used to tuna being pink. That shows you I'm used to like the gray-brown tuna in the can.
Yeah.
Too, Brandon.
Yeah, you can actually pick this up from the regular store.